This week, the spotlight shifts from blockbuster premieres to the hidden engines of virality behind a tiny indie game. Its core mechanic loops players into short, repeatable actions, turning casual play into a global challenge. A new film series leans on nonverbal tension and precise packing, inviting viewers to infer clues. On platforms, a minimalist dance trend spreads fast, inviting remixes and rapid meme-friendly edits. Tell us which trend impressed you most and why in the comments, and drop suggestions for future videos we will feature in a follow-up.